Matt.
I'm Andrew.
And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Oh, we should do that together. And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Yeah, and we're Big Tiny Ideas. And this is Luna,
the world's tiniest titanium-bodied flashlight.
That is so bright. Okay. It's so tiny. It's so cute. This is awesome too, because like if you know any kind of like the lights go out, that's sweet. I like it. Very cool. I love flashlights on the keys, so something like that would be perfect.
Yeah.
I like it. And it's awesome. And it's just like streamlined, it doesn't get in the way of anything. I love it. Luna, the most tiniest titanium flashlight.
The morphing karambit represents the complete rethinking of the folding pocket knife. It's a response to some very important questions. How can you deploy a pocket knife blade while your fingers are securely wrapped around the handle? Do your fingers have to cross the rotational path of a blade? How do you discreetly secure a karambit-style pocket knife without the inconveniences of a traditional pocket clip? The morphing karambit has just 5 principal parts plus fasteners. It's compact and rugged, with unprecedented functionality in its category.
Introducing the BitsBlade 2.0, an evolved multi-tool designed with your everyday needs in mind. The BitsBlade 2.0 has 26 functions, such as 9 double-sided S2 steel bits, 440C stainless steel knife blade, a box cutter and a scraper, a bottle opener, a pry bar, a hex wrench, a carbide tip window punch, and an LED light. Machined from an aircraft-grade aluminum, the BitsBlade 2.0 is super strong, yet weighs less than 3 ounces, designed with a middle compartment to store one of the 3 interchangeable tools. One of the 9 double-sided bits can also remain within the tool, staying secured by an internal magnet. The Bits Blade 2.0. Join the evolution.